gotta be.
Yeah, it's broken.
It probably is.
I hope not.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's a Dewhurst US 92.
But I mean, the fact that it's all USB switches, that's a good sign.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
This is terrible.
Where
One car is
is
definitely
this?
One car is down for sure.
Yeah. Yeah, why is there a down if there's no down button?
I know. I don't know why there's two actions. All right, here we go.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth.
Exactly.
Jared.
They're original.
Jared.
Stop, we're gonna get stuck.
Oh, wait, you got this indicator. It's got the digital one.
Let's go up to 7 and stop on. Well, we can, if there's no one in the lobby, we can take a second ride.
Are you happy?
I am happy.
Yay. We'll get off here.
There's another elevator in here.
Okay.
Is it square or is it circle?
Circle.
Oh. Honestly, this might be too busy to film right now because it's.
I'm gonna go down to 2.
I was gonna start up here.
I'm here, yeah.
Ooh, Rich. Oh, look at this arrow.
Where?
Whoa.
Oh, it's black.
It's two. Listen, it's got. They put micro switches in both sides.
Interesting. Here, let's get in so we're not holding it up. Ooh, look at the old brails. Look at the brails.
It's guys going around. I do want to film this though.
Okay. We'll be back up.
Okay.
Here, let's not let it open. Stay open for too long. Okay. I'll be back. Down to 1. Or actually, we'll go up to 7. What the heck is taking this so long? All right. These lights are not good on the camera. And then here's one last look at the COP. Here's the phone, not ADA compliant. That's original. These take ages to level. Hello. You come down?
There you are. Yep. I'll pile in the elevator.
I'm gonna end it on 2. Let's just get off there, so.
Sam, clean your lens. It's like gross.
No, it's just the light.
I want the COP.
Seriously. And here's the braille. Oh, wow. Look at that. Awesome. And that's it.